Hello guys, Navan Mesh welcomes you. In this video we will learn about line. First of all, select the sketch and select top view. Now from menu bar go to create. Here click on line. Now on arrow you can see line symbol. Select the first post and drag the arrow, line will extend. Here you will see two parameters, angle and length of line. Type length you want and press tab from keyboard. Now it will ask for angle. Give angle and press enter. Here you can see angle and length of line. Just double click on any parameters. You will be able to change it. Now click on line. From sketch palette select the construction. Line will be in construction mode. Click on grid. Grid will disappear. Now, I think you will learn about line feature in Fusion 360. Goodbye friends. Thank you for watching video. I hope you learned something new. If you like it, hit the like button. Subscribe the channel for more updates. Knowledge is key to success.